Take a moment to check out the 2018 Nissan Titan. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.